Understanding, find a water source. Hello, everyone. Welcome to today's English language learning video. Today, we're diving into a very practical phrase, find a water source. This phrase is not just about the words themselves but the context in which they can be used. So, grab a notebook, and let's get started on this enlightening journey together. Find a water source is a straightforward instruction composed of three key elements. Find. This verb suggests the action of discovering or locating something. A water. Here, water is used in a general sense, indicating any body of water, be it small like a pond or vast like an ocean. Source. This noun refers to the point of origin or the starting point of something. In our context, it means the place where water originates or can be obtained. Together, these words form a command or suggestion aimed at locating a place where water is available. Understanding where and why this phrase might be used is crucial for English learners. Here are a few scenarios. 1. Survival situations. In outdoor survival guides or adventure stories, finding a water source could be a critical survival skill. 2. Environmental studies. When discussing ecosystems, the importance of water sources for animal and plant life might be highlighted. 3. Travel and exploration. In travel guides or during hiking trips, the need to locate water sources for hydration is essential. By recognizing the context, learners can appreciate the phrase's relevance and application in real-life situations. When asking for directions, you can use this phrase to inquire about the nearest place to get water. In academic or environmental discussions, this phrase can help focus on the importance of water conservation and sustainable sources. For those writing stories or essays, incorporating this phrase can add a layer of realism to survival or adventure narratives. I hope this video has shed some light on the phrase, find a water source, and its various applications in English. Remember, learning a language is not just about memorizing words but understanding their use in real life. Keep practicing, stay curious, and see you in our next video.